I saw that quite a few of you have ancestral altars. That's good. Um, that means you know what an altar is, the importance of altars. And even if you're still going to church or to the mosque, you acknowledge the place of your ancestors in your life, which is a start, which is good. We're starting to give back to you. So we can go a little further, a little deeper, which is good. Is there anyone who doesn't have an altar and they are new and need help with the altar? Okay, this is good. Okay, so you guys are sitting in and I'm about to take it not a advanced, but I'm gonna give some information. You guys just tuck it away. You'll use it later. Okay, just tuck it away. You'll use it later. You guys need to start on my podcast. I have a series called Ancestral Altar. You can listen to that, excuse me. When you go to wherever you listen to podcasts, just type in Haneera. That's the easiest way to do it. Haneera. And you'll pull the podcast right up. So for those of you, the few of you who don't have an altar, you guys start there. If you need more instruction and help from there, you have options. You can book me for a session and I can go through that process for you. Or you can come to the workshops on Sunday and ask your questions here, and I will still help you, right? So it just depends on the level of detail and attention that you want